Most people get this wrong. They assume PayExpress is just a short-term loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that PayExpress is now a comprehensive financial platform offering early wage access, installment payments, and tools to help users manage cash flow effectively. Here's how it works. PayExpress allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent purchases without turning to high-interest credit cards. Certain purchases can also be split into manageable payments, helping users stay on top of monthly budgets. The app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can track advances, monitor repayment schedules, and view insights into your spending patterns. Alerts and notifications ensure timely repayments, which is crucial for avoiding fees. The downside, overusing PayExpress can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments may lead to fees that quickly add up, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on the app. Who benefits most? Users with consistent income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, PayExpress in 2026 is a practical financial tool if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.